Come hiking with us in Hocking Hills while we discuss 7 reasons the Sofirn ST1 Flashlight could be a solid option for hikers looking for a simple, dependable, everyday carry light. Sofirn sent me their new ST1 to test for launch, and after using it daily for the last month, I'm here to share unboxing and first impressions. Let's get started. What comes in the box with the Sofirn ST1? Out of the box, the ST1 keeps things straightforward. You get the light itself, a charging cable, a wrist strap, and a short instruction sheet. The aluminum body feels sturdy and has that no-nonsense utilitarian look that I actually appreciate in hiking gear. It's compact enough to fit in a pocket or clip to a pack strap with a key ring and carabiner without weighing you down. While hiking Hocking Hills, let's introduce the next question. What are some of the features of the Sofirn ST1? The ST1 is IPX7 waterproof, so it can handle rain or even a quick dunk in the water. Perfect if you're caught in a downpour setting up camp. I've used it outside, and I can attest in the rain, it worked flawlessly. They also rate it for up to 100 hours of runtime, which on paper sounds incredible for longer trips or emergency backup. But with the 226-meter beam distance and turbo mode, it's bright enough to light up a trail or spot obstacles on uneven ground, like if you are caught in the dark finishing up a trail in Hocking Hills. What have I experienced with the Sofirn ST1 flashlight? Now, real-world testing usually tells a different story than spec sheets. I've used this light daily now that the time change has me up and outside before dawn and after dark. While it's not going to outshine some of my higher-end flashlights, it's been consistent and reliable. The beam pattern gives a good balance between throw and flood, which I like for hiking at night or just walking the dog around camp. But its slender design and small frame allows me to have it available in my pocket all the time. I'm happy when I reach for the light and don't have to use the light on my iPhone. Before we continue, make sure you check our video description for a link to this light to discover updated pricing and specifications from Sofirn. How does the interface of the Sofirn ST1 compare to other lights? The button layout is simple. One switch to cycle through brightness modes, and the USB-C charging port is well sealed. It's a breath of fresh air to have a light that has an easy interface and just does what it's meant to do. But I do miss having RGB capability or some advanced features of other lights like SOS or beacon flashing. The feel and experience of this light is more practical tool than premium gear, but that might actually be what makes it a good fit for everyday carry. Something you won't worry about scratching or dropping because of its solid manufacture, and it's there when you need a bright light. What is a special feature of the Sofirn ST1 light? One thing I really appreciate on the Sofirn ST1 is the built-in battery indicator on the button. When you first power on the light, the indicator LED glows to show the current charge level. Green when it's fully charged, orange as it starts to drop, and red when it's getting low. It's a small detail, but it takes the guesswork out of how much runtime you have left, especially on longer hikes. I like knowing whether I should recharge before heading out or if I'm still good for another night around camp. We have more coming up, but we're always looking for new gear to learn about. What is your favorite flashlight and why? Comment below to share your experience. Does the Sofirn ST1 have a lockout mode to save the battery? One small but important feature of the Sofirn ST1 is its lockout mode. Designed to prevent accidental activation and preserve battery life, if you're storing the light in your backpack or pocket, this is worth using. To enter lockout mode, simply press the power button twice when the light is off. To confirm the lock is on, the light will stay off. Now the button won't respond to accidental presses. To unlock it, just press the power button twice, and the light will turn on. It's a simple step, but it can save you from discovering a dead flashlight at camp when you need it most. Coming up, we'll discuss the warranty, but if you love exploring campgrounds, hiking trails, and the gear that makes those adventures easier, we share real-world gear tests and national park adventures designed to help you get outside with confidence. Hit subscribe now so you don't miss the next trail or gear review, and the next time you search, you'll find us at the top of your search results. What is the Sofirn warranty on the ST1? Sofirn stands behind its product with a clear warranty policy. If you notice any defect in materials or workmanship, they'll take action. For the first 30 days after purchase, you're asked to contact the original seller for repair or replacement. For the flashlight itself, there's coverage for up to 1 year from purchase, and batteries for up to half a year. Do note, though, the warranty does not cover normal wear and tear, misuse, modifications, neglect, or repairs by anyone other than Sofirn or an authorized retailer. So while you're covered, It's important to use the light within those guidelines and keep your proof of purchase handy. At this price, the warranty seems reasonable. So why could the Sofirn ST1 be your next hiking EDC light? It's compact, water-resistant, easy to use, and affordable. It's not flashy or overbuilt, but that's part of the appeal. It's the kind of light you toss in your pocket and forget about until you need it. Plus, I'm not into material things, but the design of this light makes you want to share it with others and show it off a little. This is a great gift for those that enjoy hiking or just find themselves outside in the dark and appreciate an aluminum body and futuristic design. Get yours today and continue researching gear with this video next. And if you're still here and you enjoyed this video as much as we love making it, please share it with someone who is out after dark and needs a flashlight handy, and support us by liking this video if you receive value today.